The morning light is a gentle welcome to work.
Engines purring, ready for a big job. Remember, easy on the throttle, watch the cut angle. I'll keep this log steady for a clean approach. Release trigger! Let go now, sweetie!
Hold it steady! I've got the wedge! Log is free. Saw's safe. Breathe.
I cut too fast. And at the wrong angle. It happens to everyone. Let's learn from it. See? The wood closed on the top of the bar. Recording! Kickback lesson, the physics of oops.
Keep the tip up. Let the bottom of the chain cut.
Keep the tip up, let the bottom do the work. That's it, sweetie. Gentle and steady.
Wag. That was much better.
Smooth. Teamwork makes the best lumber. Good job.
Time for a well-earned break and a haul.
Smooth ride, harvesting the day's hard work.
Control is better than just pushing hard.
Happy dog, no more scary chainsaw noises.
A good job always deserves the sweetest reward.
The best smoothie comes after the biggest lesson. It tastes even better when you earn it.
To Sweetie! From kickback to control.
Patience and technique bloom into success.
Another day, another skill mastered on the farm. Every perfect cut tells a story of learning. These cuts feel so much better than before. Whew. Let's get those tools put away. Time to rest, little saw, until the next job.
Good tools are always ready for their next adventure.
Our farm runs on hard work and good equipment.
The farm breathes with the rhythm of the day.
Nature's tiny wonders are always filming ready.
Dig, dig, dig! Looking for buried treasures.
Careful, little digger. No treasure in the garden.
Nurturing life. Drop by gentle drop.
Every plant needs patience, just like learning saws. The sky has so many stories, just like us.
Sharp tools make happy work, always.
Fresh veggies for my vlog. Taste test later.
Woof! Catch the pretty flying thing.
These will be perfect for a new smoothie. Perfect timing, sweetie. More berries for jam.
The garden is happy, and the plants are growing.
Engine purring like a kitten, ready for work. What interesting smells here. A sturdy fence keeps everyone safe and sound.
Fence repair. Behind the scenes farm action.
Time for barn chores before the sunset glow.
Almost done, barn. So clean. The sky is painting new colors for us tonight.
Nature's mirror, reflecting beauty back to us.
Nuzzle.
Dinner is ready, my wonderful farm family. A hearty meal for our hard-working crew. Dinner vlog. So much good food.
Today was a big lesson, but a good one.
Learning is always worth a good pie.
Happy pie. Best reward ever. You always make me feel brave, little buddy. Peace after a day of effort is truly sweet.
Epic edits for an epic farm day!
What a journey you captured, little storyteller!
The stars tell us stories too, of vastness and wonder.
Long day, full of lessons and good friends.
Proud of you, sweetie, for trying and learning.
Good night, brave badger.
Night, kid. Sleep well, young Sawyer. Tomorrow, new adventures.
Sweet dreams, sweetie. May your rest be peaceful. Good night.
Good night! Farm Vlog never sleeps. Soft pad, pad, ready for bed too.
Time to dream of saws and smoothies.
Good night, my little guardian.
Whoa! Little saw! We're flying!
Welcome to the sweetest dreams, sweetie. The ultimate smoothie adventure!
Always ready for fun, even in dreams.
Dream Vlog, exclusive content. Always watching over you, even in your brightest dreams. Goodbyes are hard, even in dreams.
Dreaming too, maybe.
A new day begins, full of promise and tasks.
Every mark tells a part of the journey. And every day, we learn to cut a little cleaner. Ready for another day with a new skill. That's the sound of experience, sweetie.
Another day, another chance to make things better.
New day, new adventures to vlog.
Each day brings new growth for us and the farm. From kickback to control, a journey of a lifetime. Our farm's story is one of learning, love, and growth. The kickback taught me how to fly forward.